All right. Story time. Yo, I'm going to start by saying, listen, man. Working with a Jamaican person must be the most frustrating thing in the world. I swear to God. Listen, no hate, nothing. I'm just telling you, it's frustrating, bro. Me, I get yelled at every day. And listen, I'm a firm believer that if I do something wrong or I'm completely just out of line, it's okay to yell at me. I understand. I hold accountability for my mistakes, man. But the stuff I'm getting yelled at for, there's no reason. There is no reason. So I do home renovations and shit like that, man. There's tons of stuff we need constantly. Me, I like giving a helping hand. This guy's working under the sink. I have no problem running to grab you a tool, bro. This guy, though, I don't know what it is about Jamaicans or whoever, these Caribbean people, they'll ask for something, but they do not elaborate, and they just want me to fill in the blanks, bro. Like, how am I supposed to know what you're doing under there, what you need? How are you gonna look at me and say, yo, white boy, go grab that ting, man? The what? Go grab the ting. I don't know what he's talking about, but he's pointing in the direction of, like, screwdrivers and shit, so I just go, I test my luck, bro. Go grab a screwdriver. I'm not even looking what kind of fucking fitting it is at the end, because I don't even know what he's saying. He just say, yo, go grab the ting. I bring it to him. He literally pulls his head out of under the sink, looks at me and says, is this what me I send you for? I said, what? Is this what me I send you for? He's yelling, bro. I don't even get it. You didn't send me for anything in specific. You just said, go get me that ting, bro. It could have been anything. I swear to God, it could have been your shoe. It could have been your jacket. It could have been a fucking drill. It could be anything. Why are you yelling right now, bro? You just gotta elaborate. You gotta get more in detail because it's stressing me out, man. I feel like I'm not doing my job or I'm like slow or something.